gonna join. Your friend's gonna join. I mean, you got like 2 minutes.
Okay, as you can see, it's 2 minutes till quarter two. That's quarter two. It's time to forfeit. As you can see, there's only one of them in the lobby. It's against the rules to start 1v3. You have to have 2 players in the lobby. As you can see, they're ready to start the game. They've got another 1 minute till they have to start the game. I'm recording. I'm recording. Tyrell, it's okay. I'm recording. Okay, they've got another 30 seconds to join. Tyrell, you're not being booted.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're probably getting booted.
Yeah, he did keep out the call.
Okay, they've got another 10 seconds to get one more player in the lobby.